This is my gameplay programming module submission. The working title of this game is MotherDog. We start out in a level with a bunch of randomly spawned puppies, represented as cubes I'm afraid, creative liberties or something like that, all running around barking randomly. The barking is indicated by a visual sound cue emanating from their position. Besides movement and the panning of the camera, the player can do two things. They can pick up puppies in front of them and put them down again using left mouse click. They can also bark, and all surrounding puppies, who are the mother's own, will respond. This Marco Polo interaction is visualized in red sound cues, alongside a different bark sound effect. It is achieved using the observer pattern, and nearby puppies who have the correct identifier will subscribe to the broadcast, unsubscribing when they are farther away again. When a player finds a puppy they believe is their own, they can pick it up and bring it to the dog bed. Dropping the puppy next to the bed causes a separate broadcast to be made that results in one of two outcomes. If the puppy is correctly owned by the mother, it will be added to the bed and the timer began. If the puppy is incorrect, both that and all other puppies in the bed will be expelled. This gameplay loop continues until either all correct puppies have been found and added to the bed, or the main timer runs out, resulting in a good or bad ending respectively. To achieve the puppy's random movement, I use the following code here to randomly select a nearby point on the nav mesh and set it as the destination. They have a state enumerator that handles when they are silent or barking, along with being held, which acts as an override to the previous two. When not in the held state, the puppy sets a recurring timer that upon reaching 0 switches to the opposite state and resets the timer. The timings are weighted so the puppy is quiet more than they are barking. Diving into the identification mechanic, in the MotherDog script I created a delegate that was then initialized as a function. Over on the puppy's side, a script reference is acquired on start, and then when the proximity sphere collides with the player, it calls a function that subscribes a different function to the delegate. This now means that when the delegate function is called in the MotherDog script, it calls the function assigned in the puppy script. When the proximity sphere stops colliding with the player, the puppy unsubscribes the function from the delegate, meaning they won't be called when the player casts the broadcast.